brand has been built on two pillars. One is quality and one is safety.
We deliver what we promise. The quality is in our culture.
Value-based system is what they have inculcated in the organization. So when your foundation is good, the rest of the building can be completed fairly easily.
Loyal channel partners who are dealing with us since ages. We continue to enjoy even stronger relationship with them now.
25 to 30% of the factory's power is actually replaced by this solar power, which is green power.
When a new person joins in the company really nurtures you, grooms you, and everybody is given an opportunity to prove yourself.
Any youngster, anyone who has a passion and who wish to become a successful, there is no end, there is no bar.
Integrity, novel, diverse, infinite, ageless. These are just some of the traits that define India. India is the world's fastest growing economy. India's economy is powered by India's industries.
If you go and ask someone, any consumer, what do you expect from Finolex? Why do you buy this product? The answer would be, well, I know that this is a quality product. I know it's very safe. And I know I'm going to get the longest life possible from this product. So now Finolex stands for that.
Faith, ethics, innovation, customer-centric, synergetic. These are the core values of Finolex. Finolex has strengthened India and its development.
These attributes are there in every product. It doesn't matter whether you go into wire and cable or the electrical product lines, or tomorrow in whichever product the company ventures, we will ensure that we will stand by our promise.
Finolex Wires and Cables is the market leader in electrical wires. Industries, offices and residences are strengthened by LAN cables. India's smart cities, including the metros to the railways, everything is powered by HT cables and optics. Education, communication and security are boosted by fiber cables. Uninterrupted entertainment is flowing through the length and breadth of the country by fiber optic and coaxial cables. Telecommunication reaches the interiors through jelly-filled telephone cables. Finolex caters to every need and thus offers electrical wires for every segment of the market.
So Finolex started out as a small company, and it's been growing over the years to where it is today. So we decided that we need to have such products where we sell it to multiple customers. And when I say multiple customers, we are talking about consumers. And we realize that India is a country where homes will keep growing. As time goes on, everybody needs a home, and there's a lot of potential in that product. The idea is to make the company from a wire and cable company to an electrical product company.
Finolex has expanded from strengthening its cable and wire portfolio to growing its electrical consumer product range. Today, Finolex is reaching every household.
So the brand has been built on two pillars. One is quality and one is safety. Being a wire and cable company, safety was of utmost importance. And if you want to have safety, you've got to have high quality.
Finolex was born nearly 60 years ago.
India was undergoing partition, a difficult period. My father's side of the family 5 brothers, 5 sisters, along with their mother, came into India on a ship, a refugee ship, which landed in Mumbai. My uncle, who's Mr. P.P. Chabria, who's no more, he had come earlier to Pune in search of work, and he was staying here. So when they landed in Bombay, all of them came to Pune to stay with him.
And we were then supplying some goods by getting from Bombay to some dealers. But mostly we were filling up tenders for the army. The biggest workshop is in Kharki, and they make the light vehicles repairing. In those days, the vehicles were rehauled, and we were supplying them whatever they wanted. And since the wires became known to us, we bought a machine made in India in Surat, how they draw it, though it is not a very automation machine. But we learned how to make the wires. And with that wires, being already an electric shop, with my elder brother, that's Ramchand Bhagwan Das and Company, I started making flexible wires.
Finolex started as a one product, one client company.
The disaster came in 1961. In July, sometime in 12 or 13 July, there was Panshet Dam, which is in Pune, which is an earthen dam that got broken. And the Pune was not to that extent expanded, and the river was not far away. Entire machineries washed away.
I had studied abroad in the US and did engineering management. And once I joined the company, I started working in the Jellyfill telephone cable section. That product did very well for nearly a decade. It's used for landline connections. DOT was the only customer. Suddenly, mobile phones came into the fray. No one wanted to buy JFTC anymore, and the company kind of had sales which fell off a cliff. So in those circumstances, we had to reinvent the company. I was part of this reinvention. We started manufacturing house wiring. We wanted to convert the company from a single product company to a multi-product company. We wanted to convert the company from a single customer to a multi-customer company.
As Finolex changed its game and broadened its horizon, the brand still stayed strong and created superior products.
Finolex word is coming from the word fine and flexible. So the FIN comes from fine, and the other part comes from the word flexible. It does not hold relevance today because we have so many product lines which have nothing to do with fine and flexible. But the name Finolex has turned into a brand, and the brand is associated now with quality, safety, long life.
आचार खत्म?
एस्ट्रोनॉट का आचार खत्म हुआ आचार।
मेरा बबलू। रामू काका?
The learnings of the founders have been the core values of Finolex, and trust supersedes everything.
Eventually, trust is what is going to drive any organization. You can have a lot of other things, people with extreme capabilities, etc., but unless you are able to trust people to deliver what they are supposed to deliver, you will constantly be policing people.
The value system of Finolex is an essential part of the business.
Mr. P.P. Chabria and his brother, they set up the organization with certain values behind them. What were those values? Make sure that you deliver what you promise. Make sure that you are fair in your dealings with your stakeholders, whoever they may be. It could be the employee, it could be the customer, it could be supplier, it could be anybody else. But a commitment is a commitment, it has to be delivered. So I think building the trust both ways takes time, and we have progressed very well in that journey.
Finolex has always strived to offer better products as well as deliver them on time. To achieve this, the company has set up multiple modern state-of-the-art plants spread across various parts of the country. Finolex has also grown leaps and bounds by expanding itself to varied range of products as well as backward integration.
Finolex has increased its focus on growing electrical consumer product range along with strengthening our wire and cable portfolio. Today's consumer seeks products that deliver not only functional benefit, but they aspire for technologically advanced product and superior aesthetics to help them live better and smarter. Our strategic focus is to establish ourselves as a powerful brand by strengthening our product development and meeting emerging needs.
A strong belief in backward integration has added value to its products.
As a culture, Finolex has a backward integration on setting up critical raw materials as a vertical backward integration where we produce critical raw materials. So in fiber optic, we make our own optical fibers. We also make our own FRP rods. We also make our own impregnated glass rovings. We also make our own ARP rods. This gives control on quality. This ensures timely delivery of my product. This also reduces cost of the product.
से पहला अंकल का चेस्ट हाउस वायरिंग था better than the rest. सबसे बेस्ट वाह Finolex.
Finolex has now diversified and has started reaching consumers' homes.
So as you are aware that Finolex is a 60 years old brand and it's a trusted brand amongst Indians, and we have launched so many products in the last 3-4 years. So we want to give a complete solution to the consumer now. The year 2021 witnessed the foray into the new product categories like conduit. The year also saw brand launching new innovative product in our existing portfolio of fans, water heater, MCB, switchgears and lighting categories. We have also launched an affordable wire range to meet the needs of the specific customer.
Every product goes through stringent quality checks and accreditations. In this time and age, it is as important to adhere to quality as it is to be sustainable and environmentally conscious.
The world and India in the past couple of years has made remarkable progress. But that has come with a serious challenges in terms of global warming and environmental degradation. Right, so we at Finolex believe that businesses can actually make an impact for a sustainable future. So the Urse factory, which is over 100-acre land, is powered by our solar power plant that we've set up. It's 5 megawatt and about 25 to 30% of the annual power is generated by this green power annually.
Finolex has taken all the right steps towards a sustainable future.
Finolex also focuses on water waste management, and we do a lot of rainwater harvesting activities and also waste management all around the factories. So we're really trying to manage resources, manage waste for a sustainable future. Finolex focuses on 4 areas of CSR mainly. 1 being environmental, 2 being educational, 3 being health, and 4 being women's safety and empowerment.
Various projects are undertaken by Finolex under their CSR wing.
So in terms of education, we have a factory in Roorkee, and around that area there are a bunch of villages and a bunch of small schools. We noticed that in these schools, these children are sitting on the ground instead of benches because they didn't have the ability to make benches or proper classrooms. We built these walls and we built these classrooms with benches and chairs and desks, whatever they needed. So whenever we find a school in that area, we kind of built it for them, for these children to study and have a bright future. So that's one thing we're doing in terms of education. And another thing that we do for health is around Urse, there are 7 villages, and we have a medical van, Finolex medical van, that has all the equipment needed for medical health checkups and just the basic things that someone needs, a general checkup.
Finolex has built a brand of not only products but also people.
So I think employees are very important in the company's growth, and all the employees are important. So if you make an innovative product, then you can get good sales. If you have a good marketing person, he can, you can sell an ice cream to a guy in the igloo. So you need a combination of both to do well. And this brand has been built over a period of time where the contribution has been on both sides.
The contribution of channel partners, distribution partners, consultants has been immense.
After JFTC, when we started working on the company and rebuilding it, we started with a product called house wiring. We started selling that through a distribution network by adding channel partners, large shops who will handle our products. These people helped us build the brand as well because word of mouth goes along. So while we have a good product, good marketing skills, the people on the ground, the channel partners also played a good role in building our brand.
What Finolex stands for, it stands for integrity, honesty, and it's rewarding to work over here. You perform, you're rewarded. So, and the work culture is very good over here, and me as a woman, I can say it's a very, very safe place for a woman to work.
Every consumer is of utmost priority.
Let me share an experience which took place with me. One day I was working late in the company. It was about 8 p.m. Most of the people had left. There was a phone call which came and it was answered by the security guard. Since I was in the company, they transferred the call to me. It was a customer from Gujarat, from a company, asking to check whether the cable, power cable, had left for him today. So, of course, the warehouse manager had left for the day. It was late in the evening. Customer was upset. I calmed him down. I understood his pain. I called the warehouse manager back to the company in the night. I made sure the product was dispatched to him in the night itself.
The journey of Finolex has just begun. There are miles to go, abundant to achieve, and numerous more products to create.
The vision is that we want to grow 2 ways, organically and inorganically. We have a lot of money which is accumulated in the company which could be used for acquisitions. We are looking to find a good acquisition which fits in with the company's goals, and it's got to be a product which is in the same alignment as the products which we've got. Some new products, but in the electrical product line. We are also having brownfield and greenfield projects going on in the company. We are targeting that in about 5 years, we should become a 10,000 crore company from the present 3,000 crore.
In the future, I see Finolex becoming global name, multinational name. I see our name going international, and I think that is what we aspire to be.
And we are very confident that with the addition of new product in our existing range, we are definitely going to have a big market share in coming years.
With the customers, the moment you promise something and you're able to deliver something consistently, not once, but repeatedly, then that allows them to build trust towards you. And they know that when Finolex says something, Finolex will deliver it.
At Finolex Cables, women are given equal opportunity.
We deliver what we promise. The quality is in our culture, and we value our relationship with all stakeholders, vendors.
Well, the market is just like a sea. Not any single fellow can drink entirely. Any youngster, anyone who has a passion and who wish to become a successful, there is no end, there is no bar.